blizzard of '09. The worst December snow we've ever seen, making the roads a dangerous mess.
D.C. region just beginning to dig out of a mountain of snow, and tonight more winter weather is on the way.
This is Fox 5 News at 10.
A history-making storm paralyzing our region. A 100-year record shattered.
The weather is a mess.
Whiteout conditions, snow drifts on the streets, and bitter cold temperatures making it dangerous to be outside. Complete coverage of the Big Dig of 2010.
You want to join me? Come for a swim. Y'all want to come for a swim? Jump on in.
time left before the bulk of the heavy stuff.
Making light of it in some ways. You know, we've heard a couple of coined terms for this: snowpocalypse, snowmageddon, snow my goodness.
So this is a real treat. Let freedom ring. On Capitol Hill, Robbie Chavez, Fox 5 News. Woo! All the way down. Pretty good, dude. Very nice.
Thanks for protecting me, Joe, the cameraman. I got smashed right in the head.
As they say, it's all fun and games until someone gets hurt. The blizzard's certainly memorable in DuPont Circle, now a winter wonderland. Talk about the DuPont crazies. And you know, last time we talked to you about an hour ago, we told you about the 24-hour CVS here in DuPont Circle. Well, I got a couple of calls, a couple of text messages. Chief Kathy Lanier with the DC Police Department says she just got home. Her driveway is full of snow. She needed some ice melt, so I picked her some up. You know, Brian Bolter's going a little bit low. He needed some Cottonelle, so we picked up with the toilet paper. One of my neighbors needed some milk. We picked up some milk. And of course, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up. I've been working, haven't had a whole lot of time, so we're going to go for the CVS Heart of Candy. Now, this is pretty much our live report. We've been out here for 12 hours or so. Our live truck's been working pretty hard, working for me. It's actually been making us a nice little hot tub. So as we end the night tonight, I am going to go for a little polar bear plunge. Sean, back to you.
Robbie, you are crazy, Robbie.
Robbie's lost his mind.
Is that cold, Robbie, or I mean, is it warm? I imagine it's really cold out there.
No, the truck has actually been here warming this water up. Seriously, it's not cold at all. It's pretty warm. So here we go. You want to join me? Come for a swim. Y'all want to come for a swim? Jump on in. I got some friends with me now here, Brian.
All right. Robbie Chavez, hanging tough in DuPont Circle tonight. Hey, in my defense, we got 2 kids in the house, man. We go through a lot of toilet paper, all right? Just letting you know.